you ever wondered how herbal shampoos are made? This traditional recipe reduces hair fall, removes lice, acts as anti-dandruff shampoo, conditions your hair, and helps grow your hair long and strong. Today's video discusses how to make herbal shampoo at home. Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. Things you will need: 15 to 20 dried soap nuts, 3 Indian gooseberries, 1 tablespoon of dried fenugreek seed, 3 dried hibiscus leaves, 2 dried hibiscus flowers, lemon, water, container, saucepan and strainer. Steps 1. Gather all the herbs you need. Break the dried soap nuts open and remove the seeds inside them. Throw the seeds away. Put all the herbs except lemon in a saucepan. Add about 3 cups of water. Boil for 15 minutes. Let the concoction cool. Now mash the pulp to get juice. Strain the juice and throw away the pulp. Collect the shampoo in a container. You will get concentrated herbal shampoo. Add half cup of water if needed. Finally, squeeze a fresh lemon into the shampoo for a refreshing citrus scent. Tips: add more soap nuts if your hair is greasy or if you have thick hair. This shampoo must be used within 24 hours. Do not boil lemon with other herbs. Just add it in the end. Warning: you must be really careful while using this as it is more irritating to the eyes than regular shampoo. Make sure that the shampoo never gets inside the eyes. Do not use this for children. Store in a cool, dry place. Are you going to try this? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.